of wasting your...
Hi, Priscilla Shaby here. Low on a budget? Need leads? Front-end proposal? Link your primary business? Do all this in one? Yes, Powered Lead System has a residual plan. A comp plan that you wouldn't believe. So try Powered Lead System today. So take action now and click the link below.
Here's how it works. 24/7 Viral Cash promotes a powerful marketing toolbox that helps network marketers, top-tier marketers, affiliate marketers, and internet entrepreneurs get more traffic, more leads, and marketing tools.
So try it today. It's residual. Need leads? Yes. Make unlimited capture pages. Front-end proposal? Yes.